Khilafat ibn Abbasiyya, when it fell, the Arab Bedouins started fleeing the land of the Arabs because of the fitna of the Tatar that came, and the Mongols were taking over, and there was bloodshed in Iraq and Syria and everywhere. So they started moving. So there was a group of 100 men, 100 families or 400 families that they were moving in a caravan. They come to this land of what we call southern Turkey at the moment. When they come to this land, they see that two armies are fighting each other. They do not know who's fighting who. They just see two armies are fighting. So the leader of this group was Ertugrul as well. This is the Ertugrul that we speak about. That, is famous amongst the youngsters, etc. The series, what we say, the Ertugrul series. This is not the Ottoman Empire yet. It's prior to the Ottoman Empire. Now people might be thinking, oh, so Moulana is watching it, huh? No, Alhamdulillah, I haven't watched it yet. But it's all written in history. You can read it. It's a couple of pages only. So he told his people that attack this army. They don't know who to attack. Now this is where the help of Allah Ta'ala came with the Sljoks, that they started attacking whoever they seen in front, they started attacking. It so happened that the army that was winning was the enemies of the Sljoks. So they started helping those that were being defeated, and those that were supposed to win the battle ended up losing the battle and they fled. Nevertheless, the leader of the army comes to this group of people and he says, who is your leader? So they put this Ertugrul forward. And he says, do you know who am I? He said, no, I don't know who you are. He said, then why were you helping me? He said, I just thought that, people are dying, so let us help them. Out of humanitarian need, I thought it's my right to help those that are being oppressed. He said, I am Sultan Sulaiman as-Saljuki. So somehow they became somewhat relatives, going back to their forefathers. So he said, would you like to stay in my lands? So he said, that's why we are traveling. We're fleeing the Arab lands and we're looking for shelter somewhere. We're looking for refuge. So he gave him the land, the southern part of Istanbul, across the river. So he said, I'll put you here. Your job is to defend me against any army that comes from the north. So he established there, and thereafter from his progeny, Uthman was born.